KUKA Robotics. As a specialist in the field of robotics and automation technology, KUKA Robotics is one of the leading manufacturers of industrial robots. KUKA's wide range of robots includes devices of almost all load capacity types. KUKA industrial robots help to improve product quality, reduce material costs, and save energy. One of the unique capabilities of this company's robots is their interaction with the person as a partner and assistant. This allows these intelligent devices to be used economically in small and medium-sized businesses. It's also worth noting the novelty of the software and the exceptional precision in the movements of each robot, thanks to which they can carry out work even with small details.